Hi guys, how are we? I'm a sweaty mess because it's Australian summer and this weekend's hitting 40 degrees. So we're just going with the flow. And on that note, resolution I have for this year is to go with the flow, live in the moment a bit more and just kind of say yes. Part of going with the flow. Last weekend I went to Melbourne, which was so amazing. Went to see the Australian Open with my friend Katie, had a blast. And whilst we're away, she said, oh, do you fancy coming with me and a couple of other friends to Hunter Valley next weekend for a wine weekend? And I said, oui, s'il vous plaît. That's what we're doing. We've had a week in between. It's Friday night, it's almost 5:30 and Katie's on her way to pick us up. So I have my bag all packed, this Moon bag. Oh my gosh, I heard so many people raving about the Uniqlo Moon bag and I am joining the bandwagon. No road trip is complete without some travel sweets, because I know that my friends like me have a sweet tooth. So a little chupa chup will hit the spot whilst we undertake the 2.5 hour, 3 hour drive to Hunter Valley.
The Valmeets voice. Wouldn't have done it. Didn't know I wasn't there.
Australia.
Getting there.
What happened is the cars are actually facing.
First off, we're heading to Two Fat Blokes Cellar-Door, where I'll be taking you through 9 different wines and 9 different cheeses.
These ladies photos.
Whereabouts? Like, you know,
At Seth.
So they're normally aged. That concludes our tasting here. We do need to move on to our next winery.
sorry guys.
So yeah, but sorry guys, we've got to pay a toll at this winery, but the toll keepers here, they're not so bad. Their names are Frankie and Teddy, and they love smackos. So when they see us, there's Frankie sitting up there now. He'll be down in a flash.
Oh, good boy. Hey, good boy, Paul. Good boy. I'll drink all of them.
It's really nice in Hunter Valley, but it's great growing. And Dalla had it.
I'm not gonna lie, but I haven't really filmed much, so apologies. We're living in the moment. Oh, that's your video. Anything to say, Hannah? No. Goodbye.
Computer says no.
Computer says no.
Good morning from some fresher faced people. Oh, no. That wasn't a good start, was it? Feels.
There she is. Looking so put together. We love it. We half grill. Half. It was my fault. Chef. Who's the chief? Kick.